Here's that 12,300 BTU Kenmore by WCI air conditioner. It's running on this fan right now. The reason I'm making this video is because this thing is pulling way too much current, and it trips 15 amp circuit breakers. So I'm hoping it's just a bad capacitor, but the compressor does not sound good at all. It sounds like it's running slower than it should, and like I said, it keeps tripping the circuit breaker. So I'll start the compressor and I'll show you how many amps it's drawing. It actually got up to, when I was testing it before, it got up to 15 amps. That's what we're drawing with just the fan running. Okay. Start the compressor. Oops. It's running. It really does not sound normal. Current starts out okay, but then after it runs for a little bit, it really shoots up. You can see it's increasing quite steadily. It's already over what it's supposed to be. Okay, we're above 13 now. It's cooling, but yeah, that compressor's not sounding so good. Sounds like it's very labored. And we're going way too high on the amp draw. It should not be that high at all. So I did take this thing apart and I cleaned it a little bit. I don't know if there's not enough airflow through the condenser, but even still I don't think it would be pulling this much current. I'm hoping this is a capacitor issue, because otherwise the compressor is screwed. Yeah, we're at 15 now. And it's giving its warning. This extension cord is actually getting hot. It's really not sounding good now. Here we are, it's running on high. It went down a little bit because the head pressure dropped, but now it's going right back up. Okay, so I'm gonna have to figure out what the problem with this is, because it's pulling 16 amps now. That's not acceptable at all. And the air coming out of the bag is hot, but I'm just going to turn it off. That doesn't sound good. This plug is really hot right now. And just to prove that it's not a low voltage issue, that's our voltage right now. And I looked at the voltage before I started recording with the air conditioner running it. It was still around 119, so it's not a voltage issue.